run, or I'll freeze to death. Everything's gotta go. My Chippendale chair, my mahogany yo-yo. My precious album is all I have left. Goodbye, kinfolks. So long, Uncle Paul. Bye-bye, Granddaddy, Grandma, Aunt Tilly, Aunt Ned, Aunt Bet, Cousin Joe, Cousin Mo, Uncle Dude, Uncle Mood, Uncle Scrooge. Uncle Scrooge! My rich Uncle Scrooge. He lives in a nice, warm house. I'll move in with him.
Rhymes! Bring me my tea. You hear? Bring me my tea.
Coming, Master Scrooge.
When I want something, I want it fast.
Tea is served, sir.
Stop that infernal chatter and put the sugar in.
Yes, sir. 1 donkey, 2 donkey.
1 dunk is enough, you numbskull. You think money grows on trees?
I have a feeling dear old Uncle Scrooge will welcome me with open arms. Ah, there's Uncle Scrooge's house. He has a path leading right to his door. Oh, nice. Down, boys, down.
And let that be a lesson to you. Don't waste my sugar. Be here?
I hear bells, sir. Yes?
I'm Scrooge's nephew. Step aside. Oh, Unky, I'm here. It's me, your little nephew Woody. Good news, Unky. I'm moving in with you.
Rhymes! You numbskull, get rid of that nephew of mine. If you don't get rid of him, I'll get rid of you.
Unc's just a bundle of nerves. He needs calming down. A little soothing piano music will calm him down.
You blubberhead! It's that nephew again. He's upstairs banging on the piano. Stop him!
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, no, no! For the last time, get rid of that nephew!
Yes, sir.
Rhymes! I told you 100 times, get rid of that nephew of mine. I want him out! 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 You bungling numbskull!
Pardon me, sir. May I have a word?
What is it?
I quit!
Here's where I get in solid with Unc. Tea is served. A dash of lemon, a spot of cream, and a wee bit of sugar.
I'll teach you not to waste my sugar. I take 1 lump. 1 lump. 1 lump.
No matter how humble, there's no place like home.